Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering Python list. I will explain various methods and various operations that can be performed on Python list. Guys, I have uploaded complete Python programming subject tutorials. I will provide link in description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Python list is same like arrays in C. If you want to store multiple values in single variable, then you can use Python list. For example, here I written a equal to where a is variable name. Same like arrays, we represent list in square brackets. So open square bracket and inside the square bracket you can give multiple values. For example, 10, 10.5, btech, where btech is string, so write this in double quotations. 10 is integer and 10.5 is float, so there is no need of taking double quotations. And btech is string, so write this in double quotations and close square bracket. Here I written multiple values like 10, 10.5 and btech. So if you want to store multiple values in single variable, then you can use Python list. Here I am storing multiple values 10, 10.5 and btech in variable a. And next, in order to generate output, we need to use print function. So I am writing here print a. Whenever you write print a, then whatever the data that is present inside this variable a will be generated as output. So I will get output 10, 10.5, btech. Here for btech I took double quotations, but in output it will display btech in single quotations. This is output for this program. Here in Python list you can store different data type elements. By using list we can store multiple items in single variable, and we create list by using square brackets, same like arrays, and each item in the list are separated by commas. For example, here I written a equal to, inside square brackets I written apple, mango, banana, where apple, mango, banana are strings, so you need to write them in double quotations. Print function is used to generate output. So here I written print and inside print I written a. So whatever the data that is present inside variable a will be generated as output. So I will get output apple, mango, banana in single quotations, not in double quotations. It will display apple, mango, banana in single quotations. And next there is one function called type function. By using type function you can find data type. Here I written print type of a. So whenever you write print type of a, this type function will display data type. So I will get output class list because we are representing these items in square brackets. So I will get output class list, where this apple, mango, banana are items in list, or you can also call them as objects, or you can also call them as values. All are same, don't get confused. A list can contain another list. For example, here I written a equal to, inside square brackets I written 1, 2, and again I took square brackets inside this and I written 3, 4, 5. And square bracket close, 6, again I took square bracket and inside this I written 7, 8 and 9. So one list can contain another list and we call it as nested list. Whenever you write here print a, you will get output 1, 2 and in square brackets you will get 3, 4, 5, 6, and in square brackets you will get 7, 8, 9. This is nested list. A list can contain different data type items. For example, here I written a equal to, inside square brackets I written btech, where btech is string, so write this in double quotations, 10, 10.5, true, where this btech is string type and 10 is integer type, 10.5 is float type and true is boolean type. So here for boolean type you need to use capital T and there is no need of using double quotations, just write true. And whenever you print this a, you will get output btech 10, 10.5 and true in square brackets, where this square bracket represent list. So unlike arrays, list can contain different data type items. Same like arrays, you can access elements present in list by giving index number. For example, here I written a equal to 10, 10.5, btech, where 10 is present in index number 0, 10.5 in index number 1 and btech in index number 2. So whenever you write print open bracket a of 0, where 0 is index number. So whatever the data that is present inside index number 0 will be generated as output. Here in index number 0, value is 10. So I will get output 10. You can also give negative indexing. You need to count from last. Btech is stored in index number -1 and 10.5 in index number -2 and 10 in index number -3. For example, if you write print a of -3, then index number -3 contains value 10. So you will get output 10. As we know, we will represent index number in square brackets. So here I took square brackets for index number 0 and for index number -3. List items are ordered, mutable and allow duplicate values. Ordered mean in which order you give input, in same order you will receive output. This is meaning of ordered. Here at first I written 10, 10.5 and after that I written btech. So in same order you will receive output. So whenever you write print a, you will get output 10 first, 10.5 second and btech third. So in which order you give input, in same order you will receive output. This is meaning of ordered. Next one is mutable. Mutable is nothing but changeable. That means once if you create any list, then you can perform various operations on that particular list. Like you can add items or remove items, or you can also modify particular items present in the list. Next it allows duplicate values. For example, here I written a equal to, inside square brackets I written string btech twice and I took value 1 twice. So whenever you write print a, you will get output btech comma 1 comma 1. So list will support duplicate values. How many times you took duplicate values, that many times it will print output. Here I took btech twice, so it will print btech twice, and I took 1 twice, so it will print 1 twice. Also print multiple list at a time. For example, here variable A contains list mango comma banana and variable B contains list 1 2 3 4 and variable C contains list true false. Now I want to print list A, list B and list C at a time. So just write print A comma B comma C. Variable A contains list mango banana, so it will print mango banana, and variable B contains list 1 2 3 4, so it will print list 1 2 3 4, and variable C contains list true false, so it will print list true false. This is output for this program. Next I will explain what is use of len function, min function and max function. Here I written a equal to, where a is variable name, and I took square brackets. Inside square brackets I written 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, where the square bracket represent list. Next I written print len of a, where len stands for length. It will count how many items are present inside the list. Total there are 1 2 3 4 5. Total there are 5 items present in list. So length function will print output, that is 5. Next I written print min of a, where min stands for minimum. This min function is used to identify minimum element present in the list. A list contains 1 2 3 4 5. Among this, 1 is smallest element, so it will print output 1. And similarly I written print max of a. Max function is used to identify largest element. A list contains 1 2 3 4 5. Among this, 5 is largest element. Max function will print output 5. This is use of len function, min function and max function. Here min and max functions are applicable for integer and float values, and whereas length function is applicable for all data type values. I will explain list operations. There are various built-in methods available in order to perform various operations. I will explain each of them by giving example. One is append method. If you want to add any item to the list, then you can use append method. For example, here I written a equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. This list contains 10 comma 20 comma 30. Now I want to add number 40 and string btech to this list. So just write a dot append, where this a is variable name. This list is present in variable a, so just write here a dot append. By using this append method, you can add value. I want to add value 40. So inside brackets write 40, and similarly I want to add btech. So again write a dot append, btech is string, so you need to write this in double quotations. Same like functions, for methods you need to use brackets. So I written here append 40 inside bracket. So whenever you write a dot append 40, it will add number 40, and after that I written a dot append btech, so it will add btech to this list. And whenever you print a, you will get output 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma btech. And by using append method, you can add only one item at a time, and it will add item at last. So it will add item 40 and btech at last. This is use of append method. Next one is insert method. Whereas the append method will add item at last, and whereas by using insert method we can add item at any place. For example, let us consider this list. Here I written a equal to, list contains 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, where this 10 is present in index number 0, 20 in index number 1, 30 in index number 2, 40 in index number 3 and 15 in index number 4. Now I want to add one string to this list, that is btech, and I want to add btech after 20. So just write here a dot insert. By using insert method, we can add item at any place. So just give here index number 2. This 10 is present in index number 0 and 20 in index number 1, and in index number 2 it will place btech, where btech is string. So write this in double quotations. So I written here 2 comma btech in double quotations. Methods are same like functions. You need to represent them in brackets. And whenever you write print a, you will get output 10, 20, and it will add btech in index number 2. So I will get output 10, 20, btech, 30, 40 and 50, where this 2 is index number. You cannot add multiple items at a time. You can add only single item at a time. If you want to add multiple items at a time, we can't use append method and insert method. If you want to add multiple items at a time, then you can use extend method. Here I written a equal to to mango, banana. This list contains mango, banana. Now I want to add two items to this list. They are kiwi and orange. So by using extend method, you can add two items at a time. So I written here a.extend, where extend is method. So take brackets and inside brackets write kiwi because I want to add kiwi and orange. Here kiwi and orange are strings. So you can write them in single quotations or double quotations. So inside single quotations I written kiwi, comma. In single quotations I written orange. If you take multiple items at a time, then it is considered as list. So write kiwi and orange inside list. So take square brackets. And whenever you print A, you will get output mango, banana, kiwi and orange. It will add items at last. So after printing mango, banana, it will add kiwi and orange. So you will get output mango, banana, kiwi and orange. If you want to add items, then you can use three methods. They are append method, insert method and extend method. Where append method will add only single item at last, and whereas insert method will add single item at any place, and whereas extend method will add multiple items at a time at last. You can also replace single item or multiple items present in a list. For example, here I written a equal to, where a is variable name, and I took list, and list contains three items. They are apple, mango, banana. Where apple, mango, banana are strings, so you need to take them in double quotations. And this apple is present in index number 0, mango in index number 1 and banana in index number 2. Now I want to replace this mango with orange. So by giving index number, you can replace values. I want to change value which is present in index number 1, that is mango to orange. So just write here a of 1 because I want to change value which is present in index number 1. So just write here a of 1 is equal to orange, where orange is strings. So you need to take orange in double quotations. And I want to replace banana with number 1. This banana is present in index number 2. So just write here a of 2. That is a of 2 is equal to 1. So whenever you write here a of 2 is equal to 1, it will replace banana with number 1. Number 1 is integer. So there is no need of taking double quotations. Just write here 1. And whenever you write print A, it will print values. Now this list contains apple, orange, 1. So I will get output apple, orange, 1. This is how we replace single item in a list. Also replace multiple items present in a list by using slicing. For example, here I written A equal to apple, kiwi, orange, banana. Index number 0 contains apple. Index number 1 contains kiwi, index number 2 contains orange and index number 3 contains banana. I want to replace apple and kiwi with btech and AML. So apple is present in index number 0 and kiwi is present in index number 1. So you need to write here a of starting index is 0 and I want to replace values which are present in index number 0 and index number 1. Here you need to write 0, colon, not 1, you need to give here 2 because for end index you need to add plus 1. So give here 2. So write here a of 0, colon 2 in square brackets that equal to, I want to replace apple with btech. So write here btech, comma. Next I want to replace kiwi with AML. So write here AML. Both are strings, write them in double quotations. And whenever you write here print A, you will get output. It will replace apple with btech and it will replace kiwi with AML. So you will get output btech, AML, orange, banana. This is how we replace multiple items in a list. Next I will explain how to remove item from a list. If you want to remove items from a list, there are three ways. First one is by using remove method, and next one by using pop method, and next one by using del keyword. I will explain each of them. Here I written a equal to, I took list. List contains apple, banana. Now I want to remove this apple. So just write here a dot remove. By using remove method, you can remove item present in the list. So I want to remove apple. So just write here a dot remove of apple. Now whenever you write here print A, you will get output banana because it will remove apple and it will print only banana. And second way is by using pop method. Same example I took here. Now I want to remove banana. This apple is present in index number 0 and banana is present in index number 1. Now I want to remove this banana. By using pop method, you can remove item by giving index number. So inside brackets, I am giving index number, that is 1. So whenever you write here a dot pop of 1, it will remove item which is present in index number 1. It will remove banana. Whenever you write print A, it will print apple because it already removed banana. And third way to remove item is by using del keyword. Same example here, where del stands for delete. So I written here del. After giving space, I written a of 1, where 1 is index number. So whatever the value that is present inside index number 1 will be deleted, and whenever you write here print a, you will get output apple because it already removed banana. These are 3 ways in order to remove item from a list. Next I will explain what is use of count and index method. For example, here I written a equal to 10, 10, 10, btech, 10.5. And I return this in square brackets where this square bracket represent list. Now I return print a dot count. By using count method we can count how many times particular item is present in the list. Here I want to count how many times number 10 is present in the list. So here I return a dot count of 10, and whenever you run this code you will get output that is 3, because in this list 10 is present 3 times. So I will get output 3. For example, if you want to count 10.5, then just write here a dot count of 10.5. In this list 10.5 is present only once, so you will get output 1. This is use of count method. Next I return print a dot index of btech. Index method is used to identify index number of particular item. So here I return print a dot index of btech because I want to find index number of btech. So here I return a dot index of btech, where btech is string, so you need to write this in double quotations. 10 is present in index number 0, and this 10 is present in index number 1, this 10 is present in index number 2, and btech is present in index number 3. So whenever you write here print a dot index of btech, it will print output that is 3 because btech is present in index number 3. This is use of count and index method. Guys, just remember that for each and every method you need to include variable name. Here I written a dot count. Here I written a, where a is variable name because our list is present in variable a. So definitely for each and every method you need to include variable name. Here for all these methods you need to include variable name like a dot append, a dot insert, a dot extend, a dot remove, a dot pop, a dot count, so on, because our list is present in variable a. Next I will explain copy method. By using copy method you can copy items from one list to another list. Let us consider this example. Here I written a equal to, where a is variable name, so I written here a equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 in square brackets, where square bracket represent list. Now I want to copy this list to another variable that is b. So in order to copy list from variable a to variable b, just write here b equal to a dot copy. Whenever you write here b equal to a dot copy, that means we are copying this list to variable b. So whenever you write here print b, you will get output 10, 20, 30, 40, because whatever the list that this variable a contains, we copied this list a to variable b. So whenever you write here print b, you will get output 10, 20, 30, 40. This is use of copy method. Next I will explain how to copy items from one list to another list if word starts with a. For example, here I written a equal to, I given some names inside this list like Arun, Arjun, Aravind, Raju, Ramesh, where all these are strings, so you need to write them in double quotations. Now I want to copy only items whose name starts with a to this variable b. So just write here b equal to, in square brackets write word for word in a, where this a is variable name. That means I am copying word for word in a. If word dot starts with, in brackets write a, where a is string, so write this in double quotations. That means it will copy names whose name starts with a to this variable b. So whenever you write here print b, you will get output Arun, Arjun, Aravind, because it will copy only names whose starting letter is a. Just remember this. Word for is keyword. So write here word for word in is keyword, where a is variable name, and if is condition, word dot starts with, don't give space here, directly write here word dot starts with, and just give here alphabet a. For example, in place of a, if you write here r, then it will copy names that starts with alphabet r to this variable b. So whenever you write here print b, you will get output Raju and Ramesh. Next I will explain list unpacking. For example, here I written a equal to, this list contains Raju, Ramesh, Arun. List unpacking is nothing but whatever the items that this list contains, we will store this each item in separate variable. This is known as list unpacking. For example, I want to store Raju in variable a1, and I want to store Ramesh in variable a2, and I want to store Arun in variable a3. So just write here a1, a2, a3 is equal to a. That means it will unpack all these items present in this list to different variables. So whenever you write here print A1, it will display output Raju because A1 contains Raju, and similarly whenever you write here print A2, it will display output, that is Ramesh. Whenever you write here print A3, you will get output Arun. And definitely you need to unpack all items. For example, if you write here A1 comma A2 equal to A, it will display error because whenever you want to perform unpacking, then you need to unpack each and every item. You should not leave any item. Next I will explain sort method. Sort method is used to arrange items in ascending order, that is from small to big. Here I written A equal to 1 comma 10 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 5 3 2 4 6. All are not in sorted manner. Now I want to arrange these elements in sorted manner, that is from small to big. So just write here A dot sort. I already said before, definitely you need to include variable name before any method. So just write here A dot sort. This sort method will sort items. So whenever you write here print A, you will get output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also use this sort method for strings. Whenever you use sort method for string items, then it will arrange items in alphabetical order, that is starting from alphabet A to Z. In before example, we sorted items in ascending order, that is from small to big. We can also sort items in descending order, that is from big to small. So just write here A equal to, I took list which is not in sorted manner, like 1 comma 10 comma 7 8 9 comma 5 3 2 4 6. Now I want to arrange this list in descending order, that is from big to small. So just write here A dot sort, in brackets write reverse is equal to true. And whenever you write here reverse is equal to true, then it will print items in descending order, that is from big to small. So you will get output 10 comma 9 comma 8 comma 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is my output. There is one more method. That method is reverse method. By using reverse method, you can reverse items in a list. For example, here I written A equal to, at first I written apple, after that I written mango, and after that I written banana. Now I want to print items in reverse order. At first I want to print banana, and after that I want to print mango, and after that I want to print apple. So just write here A dot reverse. By using reverse method, you can reverse a list. Whenever you write here print A, at first it will print banana, after that it will print mango, and after that it will print apple. This is how we reverse items in a list.